What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a special video that's been a long time coming. First big mod. If you've seen the title and thumbnail, you already know what's going on. Sheesh! The big gun. See, now I'm not fancy pants like Jude over here. I didn't go with the RJWC, the dual exhaust. See, I'm cheap, but everybody says the big gun is good bang for your buck, so I want the big gun. EVO U, looking clean. Sheesh. This thing should scream, which Scott won't like. Which there is some people out there. When we did Jude's exhaust video, I don't like really loud exhaust. But if you're one of those people, then f*** off. Also,
that's real nice.
We got the tuner, the old tuner thingy bob.
We don't know how to work this.
Got your whatnots and your what have yous.
You know, it'd be nice if you'd like clean it up a little bit, you know, for the video and stuff. But no, you just.
Here's what we're not gonna need. Little thing to put in there, I think makes it a little quieter. With what?
That's a spark arrestor, so you don't catch ground on fire like he does.
Like, yeah, he did that once.
He acts like he knows stuff.
He got the ground on fire with a stock exhaust. Come on.
Alright, so first things first, you gotta obviously see what it sounds like stock. You gotta see what it sounds like, you gotta hear what it sounds like. Yeah, as you can tell.
Yeah.
That's nothing. So, what the big gun exhaust is going to do is absolutely just murder everybody's eardrums.
He's gonna wake up the beast, you know what I'm saying?
Also, with the exhaust, I should also give you a little bit more horsepower, some more power, a little better acceleration, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. That's the first thing you got to do. Take these two little springs off right here. So we go ahead and do that right now. All right, springs are off. Gonna start taking off this heat shield. Got her off. Now got two more springs. I got those other springs off. Well, Jude did. Shout out to Jude. What are you saying, Scott? It's that little thing that's holding it on. Oh, yeah, it needs to come this way, but see how it's.
Oh, you can get past that. You just gotta muscle it.
Like I said, I'm
Down
trying to do
to the
this.
right.
I'm gonna try to do this without breaking anything. So.
Yeah, down.
Stay tuned. Alright, after a little bit of muscle and grease, she's out. She's a fucking unit too. Yeah, that's gonna have to come out. Heat shield's gone. There was 3 screws, one on this side, 2 on this side. Easy peasy. We thought we were gonna run into some shit, but we're good.
No one likes to run without a heat shield or it melts some plastic off this fucker.
Damn right we are. There's a new guy going on. We're lining it up. So you got to line up these 2 holes. It looks like, with the 2 holes that those 2 hooks were through. So you can spin this. I was about to freak out for a second. So I thought it wasn't gonna fit, or I got the wrong thing or something. But it turned. So. I don't know how much of that little time lapse or whatever was going on there we got because the camera turned off, but it was a little difficult. But got the screw through here, and then there's another one on the other side.
You're gonna use your time getting that one on.
Got the 2 springs on there, so she's on there. She's good. She's tight. Probably could start it without the controller. Here we go. Breaking news. Pull the plastics off. You got the tuner right. We fished her up through here, and it's Velcroed right here. We don't know if it's waterproof or not. I think we're guessing no. So we're gonna have to put a little baggie over or something to keep it safe. But basically there was 2 connections here. You had to unplug them, plug the new ones in, to those and plug them back in there, if that makes sense. And then the ground, we grounded right here to this. So I think we're ready to fire it up. All right,
This is the Big Gun EVO U on
fire up
2020 HighLifter. 850.
850 HighLifter, fire up number 1.
Watch it not start.
Maybe, yeah.
Maybe. You ready?
Yeah. What do you think?
I think it sounds good. It's not crazy loud like yours is idle, which is kind of cool. But then you get on it, that sounds good though.
Yeah.
Let's see when I give it gas, watch the tuner.
I think you need to tune it.
It says to take it for a ride.
Well, it sounds like it needs tuned.
Yeah, 'cause I'm giving it gas, it's like lagging out. Read the direction.
Recommended to take it to someone who knows what they're doing. You know, we're just out here kind of winging it.
Hey, we know exactly what we're doing. Psych. So yeah, I don't know what that means. I'm gonna take her for a little ripsy. Maybe the whole neighborhood. Well, at least this time, last time it was like 1 o'clock, so yeah, only 9 o'clock.
Go that way.
I think mine was louder. Well, idle it was.
I think yours is louder. I think. I don't know. That's deeper.
Yeah, that's because it's an 850. This is like a gated community place, so everybody in here is probably extremely mad. But you know, it's the way she goes sometimes.
That's pretty loud.
deeper because it's an 850.
It's not as like rappy as yours was, like sitting here.
Pretty rapid.
Scott's worried that there's no heat shield on there now. So is that something we should be worried about, or what was your question?
Well, if anybody's done anything, added some sort of heat shield.
So anybody I guess with any EVO U or pretty much any aftermarket exhaust, should you add some kind of heat shield to that, or should I be worried about that at all? Let us know in the comments. Also, shouldn't that shut off after the four-wheeler shuts off?
Yeah.
I don't know, man. Well, I'm gonna end this video before the camera dies, so we're gonna get this figured out. I think it's working pretty good. Sounds great. Can't wait to shred it, hit the trails with it. Jude's gonna take it for a spin so I can hear what it sounds like when he's up the road. But thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.